7 stunning snakes with incredible colors and patterns. 1. Blue Malayan Coral Snake. This striking Southeast Asian species is instantly recognizable for its vivid cobalt blue body contrasted with a bright red head and tail. It can grow up to 1.8 meters or 6 feet, making it unusually large for a coral snake. Unlike many coral snakes that are secretive and slow-moving, this species is an active predator that specializes in hunting other snakes, including venomous ones. Its venom is extremely potent and highly neurotoxic, capable of causing rapid paralysis by attacking the nervous system. Interestingly, it has unusually long venom glands that extend far down its body, giving it a larger venom yield than most related species. It inhabits lowland rainforests in Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Indonesia. Mostly nocturnal, it spends the day hidden under leaf litter or logs. Despite its deadly venom, it is rarely encountered by humans. 2. Emerald tree boa. Native to the Amazon basin in countries like Brazil, Colombia, and Suriname, this stunning arboreal snake grows between 4 and 6 feet long. Its brilliant emerald green coloration with a distinctive white zigzag or lightning-shaped dorsal stripe provides excellent camouflage among rainforest foliage. It has exceptionally long front fangs for a non-venomous snake, along with heat-sensing pits that allow it to detect warm-blooded prey in complete darkness. It primarily feeds on birds, rodents, and small mammals. Emerald tree boas spend most of their lives coiled over branches in a saddle-like position. Unlike many snakes, they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. Though beautiful, they can be defensive and are known for strong strikes when threatened. 3. Green tree python. Found in New Guinea, nearby Indonesian islands and northern Australia, this python grows to about 5 to 6 feet long. Juveniles are typically bright yellow or deep red before undergoing a dramatic color change into vivid green as adults, a transformation thought to help with camouflage at different life stages. It is non-venomous and kills prey through constriction. Like the emerald tree boa, it uses heat-sensitive pits to locate prey at night. It typically feeds on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Its iconic coiled resting posture on branches makes it one of the most photographed arboreal snakes. Due to its striking appearance, it is popular in reptile collections, though it requires precise humidity and temperature control. 4. Rainbow boa. This non-venomous South American species grows between 4 and 7 feet long. While its base coloration is brown or reddish-brown with dark ring-like patterns, what makes it extraordinary is its intense iridescence. Under sunlight, microscopic ridges on its scales refract light, producing a shimmering rainbow effect. It inhabits humid tropical forests, particularly in the Amazon basin. Primarily nocturnal, it hunts small mammals, birds, and occasionally amphibians. Rainbow boas are generally calm but require high humidity to stay healthy, as dry conditions can lead to shedding issues. 5. San Francisco Garter Snake. Often considered one of the most beautiful snakes in North America, this subspecies displays vivid turquoise or blue-green stripes, bold red markings, and black banding. It grows about 2 to 3 feet long. It inhabits wetlands and marshes near the San Francisco Peninsula in California. Its diet mainly consists of amphibians, especially endangered red-legged frogs. This snake is federally listed as endangered due to habitat destruction, urban development, and pollution. Conservation efforts focus on wetland restoration and habitat protection. 6. Mandarin Rat Snake. Native to parts of China and northern Vietnam, this non-venomous snake grows around 3 to 4 feet long. Its bright orange body, marked with black saddle-shaped bands, makes it highly distinctive. It prefers cooler mountainous forests and rocky hillsides rather than tropical lowlands. It feeds primarily on rodents and occasionally birds. Though visually striking, it is shy and secretive, often hiding in rock crevices. It is sometimes kept in captivity due to its manageable size and calm temperament. 7. Brazilian Rainbow Boa. A subspecies of the rainbow boa, this snake is especially famous for its exceptionally strong iridescence. It can grow up to 6 feet long and thrives in humid Amazonian environments. Its reddish-brown base color combined with circular dark markings becomes dazzling under light due to structural coloration in the scales. It is non-venomous and kills prey by constriction. In captivity, it requires high humidity levels, often above 75%, to maintain healthy skin and proper shedding.